I think I found the best earphones under 1000 rupees. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are checking out the new Xiaomi Mi Dual Driver earphones which were launched recently. So in this video we will unbox and review and see if this is something you should get. But before getting to the video, it would be great if you could leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Also, if you would like to check out the Mi Dual Driver earphones for yourself, you can check out all the links down below in the description. But starting off with this video, let's unbox it and see all the contents of the box, and then we will move further in this review. So this is the shipping package from MI, and inside we have the Mi Dual Driver earphones. So let's just quickly unbox this. So here is the retail box of the Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones, as it says right here. It says Xiaomi and the Mi logo, innovation for everyone, high definition dynamic bass, tangle-free braided cable, magnetic earbuds, music controls and mic. And here is the image of the earphones itself. And by the way, this comes in two color, I guess, the black and blue, and this is the blue one. But moving on the side, we have Mi Dual Driver in-ear earphones on both of the sides, and on the back we have some things to read, so let's do it. So here it says product name, model, headphone type, color blue, weight, impedance of 32 ohm, cable length of 1.25 meters, and MRP of the device, which is 1000 rupees, which is not true. We will do a price reveal later in this video, but for now let's just quickly unbox this and see what it looks like. So today we will try something new. Instead of unboxing with a knife, today we will go with something different. A fork, I guess. So here is our noodle, the earphones itself, but now we don't need this fork, I guess. So here is the earphones itself, and it feels very premium, but we have whole video to admire this, so let's put this aside and see what else do we have in the box. So inside the box we have this little compartment. So here we have some extra ear tips for precise fit like small, medium and large, so that's included, and a user manual to use these earphones, but we don't need this, I guess, and we don't need this either. So this was the unboxing of the Mi Dual Driver earphones, but now let's test them out, see how they perform and if you should get this or not. So starting off with the design, I have to say that these are very premium feeling earphones. There is something that when you are holding these earphones, it feels like you are holding high quality earphones. The earbuds are built out of metal and have this fantastic paint finish. Also, you will notice the carbon fiber pattern on the back, and a minor detail here is that this back has a concave on one side and convex on the other side. So when you connect them together, they align perfectly. Pretty neat, huh? So overall the design feels excellent and build quality is substantial. You can easily use these earphones for years to come, even if you abuse them from time to time. And talking about the comfort and fitting, they are quite comfortable earphones. I was able to use them for all day long without any discomfort, and the silicone ear tips are soft as well. The ear tips are also strong enough that they don't come out that easily, but as these don't have any ear hooks, you might not be able to do some heavy exercise, but it will work for some casual workout. Now coming down to the features of these earphones, we have magnetic earbuds, so if you are not using them, you can easily connect them together. 90-degree jack, the 3.5mm jack at a 90-degree angle, tangle-free braided cable, and passive noise cancellation. But one feature that was missing from these earphones, which was the IPX rating. There is no IPX rating on these earphones, so you have to be a little careful with border. But we do get some inline buttons for controlling the media playback, adjusting the volume, taking calls, and for using Google Assistant or Siri. One new feature I found in this is that you can also mute the mic during a call by pressing the middle button, which is awesome. Anyway, speaking of the audio quality, this is what the inline mic on these sounds like. But now let's talk about the sound quality of these earphones. But before heading further, let's talk about our today's sponsor, which is Audible. Audible is the biggest audiobook store on planet Earth. You can listen to millions of audiobooks, and guess what? Now they also offer Audible Originals, where you will find exclusive audiobooks from great storytellers around the world, and these are only available at Audible. So sign up for a 30-day free trial and get 3 titles to begin with, and you can cancel it anytime. Also, Audible is sponsoring this video. So if you do sign up for a free trial from links in the description, I will get a little commission from them, and this will cost nothing to you. And this way you can show your support to my channel, to my work, and it's free of cost by the way, so you can do it now. Thank you. But here comes the crucial part of any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So here on the Mi earphones, as the name suggests, you will get dual driver, that is dual speakers inside each earbud, which produces a phenomenal sound. So what happens is that there are two drivers in each earbud. One is 10mm and the second one is 8mm. One of them mostly produces low frequencies and the other one produces primarily high frequencies. So what happens is that you get clearer, much wider and better frequency response. Like you can see on my Yamaha HS5 or any other studio monitors, they have one primary driver and one tweeter. So both of the drivers only focus on a specific part of the frequency range, and this results in much more clearer and fuller sound. So with having a dual driver, they sound fantastic. It gives all the quality that an audio device should have: fantastic bass and sub frequencies, clarity, clear mids, no distortion even at max volume, and loudness. So overall it has all the points that we should be looking for in an audio device. And for the genre, it will go with pretty much everything like hip hop, pop, rock, EDM, Bollywood, Punjabi, Rondu, I mean acoustic, no offense, but you can throw anything at them and they will shine. But coming down to the price of these earphones and if they justify their price tag. So as of making this video, the Mi Dual Driver earphones are available for 800 rupees, and you can check them out from the links down below in the description. But for the price, I would say they totally justify the price. You get reliable build quality, braided cable, magnetic buds, but most importantly, what we should be looking for in an audio device is the sound quality, and you know we are getting that as well. So if you ask me, I will totally recommend these earphones. I'm so impressed with these earphones that now I can call them my go-to recommendation for a wide earphones under 1000 rupees. But anyways, that's been it for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe, bye bye.